First up, the TOUGHBUILT Tamper is your ultimate solution for compacting soil and paving surfaces with ease. Its robust construction ensures maximum durability, while the ergonomic design reduces user fatigue. The high-impact steel plate delivers consistent performance, even in the toughest conditions. Whether you're working on a construction site or a landscaping project, this tamper is built to perform. Its slip-resistant grip provides enhanced control, making it safe and efficient. Compact yet powerful, it's a must-have for any professional. Get ready to tackle hard-packed surfaces like a pro. Next, meet the TOUGHBUILT StackTech Convertible Hand Truck, a game-changer for heavy lifting. This versatile tool transforms seamlessly from a hand truck to a platform truck, adapting to your needs. With a sturdy frame and oversized wheels, it glides effortlessly over uneven surfaces. The ergonomic handle ensures a comfortable grip, while the compact design allows easy storage. Its impressive load capacity makes it ideal for both residential and commercial use. Say goodbye to backaches and hello to efficiency with this all-in-one hauling solution, perfect for warehouses, workshops, and beyond. The TOUGHBUILT 12-inch high-tension hacksaw is precision engineering at its finest. Designed for straight, smooth cuts, its high-tension mechanism keeps the blade taut, ensuring accuracy every time. The ergonomic handle provides superior comfort, reducing strain during prolonged use. With a quick-release blade system, switching blades is a breeze, saving you valuable time. Built for durability, it's perfect for cutting through metal and tough materials. Compact and lightweight, it's easy to carry and store. Experience unmatched cutting performance with this essential tool. Introducing the TOUGHBUILT Sledgehammer, a powerhouse of strength and stability. Its fiberglass core absorbs shock, minimizing vibrations and enhancing user comfort. The drop-forged steel head delivers unparalleled striking power, making it ideal for demolition tasks. The non-slip grip ensures secure handling, even in wet conditions. With its balanced design, every swing feels controlled and precise. Built to withstand the rigors of heavy-duty projects, this sledgehammer is a staple for any professional's toolkit. Break through barriers with confidence and ease. Say hello to precision cutting with the TOUGHBUILT open handle shears. Engineered for comfort and accuracy, these shears feature stainless steel blades that deliver clean cuts every time. The ergonomic open handle design reduces hand fatigue, making it perfect for extended use. Whether cutting fabric, plastic, or other materials, these shears excel in versatility. The durable construction ensures long-lasting performance, even in demanding environments. Lightweight yet robust, they're a reliable addition to any workshop. Tackle intricate tasks effortlessly with these high-quality shears. Next in line is the TOUGHBUILT Carpet Knife, designed for precision and convenience. Its retractable blade system offers safety and ease of use, while the robust body ensures durability. Ideal for cutting carpets, vinyl, and other flooring materials, it provides clean, accurate cuts every time. The ergonomic grip enhances control and reduces strain, even during extended tasks. With a quick blade change mechanism, you can stay efficient on the job. Compact and lightweight, it's a tool you'll reach for time and again. Upgrade your cutting experience with this essential knife. The TOUGHBUILT 100 feet crossline laser level takes accuracy to a whole new level. Perfect for aligning shelves, tiles, and frames, it projects bright, sharp lines over long distances. The self-leveling feature ensures precision, even on uneven surfaces. Built for durability, it's resistant to dust and water, making it ideal for tough environments. The intuitive controls make it easy to operate, saving you time and effort. Compact and portable, it's a go-to tool for construction and renovation projects. Achieve professional results with this state-of-the-art laser level. Dig deeper with the TOUGHBUILT Post Hole Digger, engineered for effortless digging. Its heavy-duty steel blades cut through soil with ease, while the reinforced handles provide superior leverage. Designed for durability, it withstands the rigors of tough digging tasks. The ergonomic grips ensure comfort, reducing hand fatigue during prolonged use. Perfect for setting fence posts, planting trees, and more, it's a versatile addition to your toolkit. Lightweight yet sturdy, it's easy to maneuver and store. Get ready to dig smarter, not harder. The TOUGHBUILT 3-inch seamer is a precision tool designed for bending, folding, and flattening sheet metal with ease. Its high-quality steel construction ensures maximum durability, while the ergonomic handle offers superior comfort and control. Ideal for HVAC professionals and metalworkers, it provides consistent results with minimal effort. The compact design allows for easy handling and storage, making it perfect for on-the-go tasks. Whether working in a workshop or on-site, This seamer is built to perform. Elevate your metalworking projects with this reliable tool. The TOUGHBUILT Gel Fit Thigh Support Knee Pads redefine comfort and protection for professionals. Featuring gel and foam layers, these pads provide superior cushioning, reducing stress on your knees during extended tasks. The thigh support design keeps them securely in place, allowing unrestricted movement. Built for durability, they withstand tough job site conditions while offering unparalleled comfort. The adjustable straps ensure a customized fit, catering to every user's needs. Whether you're laying floors or working on roofing, these knee pads are an essential companion. Experience productivity without pain with this ergonomic innovation. The TOUGHBUILT WB700 Quickset Workbench is your ultimate on-site workstation. With a robust steel frame and a quick setup mechanism, it offers unmatched stability and convenience. The spacious work surface is perfect for handling tools, materials, and large projects effortlessly. Its collapsible design makes storage and transport a breeze, saving you valuable time and effort. Built to endure the demands of a busy job site, it's both durable and versatile. Whether you're cutting, assembling, or measuring, this workbench has got you covered. Make your workspace efficient with this reliable TOUGHBUILT solution. The TOUGHBUILT 24-in Handsaw is a precision beast built for effortless cutting. Its ergonomically designed handle ensures a secure grip, reducing strain during extended use. The durable steel blade delivers clean and accurate cuts through wood, plastic, and other materials with minimal effort. Its compact 24-inch size makes it versatile for various tasks, while the teeth are specially hardened to stay sharp longer. Whether you're tackling carpentry or quick repairs, this handsaw is a reliable companion. Built tough to last, it's perfect for professionals and DIY enthusiasts alike. This handsaw proves that precision and toughness go hand in hand. Next, meet the TOUGHBUILT Hawkbill Folding Knife, a cutting-edge tool for ultimate versatility. Its hawkbill blade shape is perfect for slicing through thick materials like rope, carpet, or even linoleum. The folding design ensures safety and portability, while the durable stainless steel blade resists corrosion for long-term performance. Featuring an ergonomic handle with a textured grip, it's comfortable to use even in demanding conditions. The blade lock mechanism provides added safety, ensuring precision with every cut. From construction sites to outdoor adventures, this knife is built to handle it all. Compact yet mighty, it's your go-to for tough cutting tasks. The TOUGHBUILT Sledgehammer brings unmatched power to your demolition projects. Its forged steel head delivers high-impact blows, making quick work of breaking concrete, driving stakes, or heavy-duty construction tasks. Designed with a shock-absorbing grip, it minimizes hand fatigue even during prolonged use. The balanced weight distribution ensures maximum efficiency with every swing, while its durable construction can withstand the toughest environments. Whether you're a pro or tackling DIY challenges, this sledgehammer is built to conquer them all. Experience raw power in your hands with this ultimate demolition tool. The StackTech cargo carrier is a game-changer for anyone hauling gear on rough terrain. Built with massive 10-inch wheels, it rolls like a tank across gravel, dirt, or pavement. Its ultra-rugged frame can handle heavy loads without breaking a sweat. The smart stack and lock system keeps your boxes rock solid during transport. With a wide ergonomic handle and fold-flat design, it's both tough and space-efficient. Whether on the job site or in the garage, it moves your setup with total confidence. This isn't just a cart. It's TOUGHBUILT's mobile power base. Tired of juggling tool pouches? ClipTech makes your belt work smarter, not harder. The 3-piece hub lets you attach and detach pouches instantly with secure locking clips. Mounted on your belt, your wall, or even your truck for ultimate flexibility. It's built tough for trades that demand quick access and reliable grip. No more overloading your waist with gear you don't need. Clip it when you need it. Unclip when you don't. Simple as that. Once you try it, you'll never go back to a regular belt. These StackTech boxes redefine tool storage with rugged build and customizable space. They stack and lock together with auto-lock latches for rock-solid stability. Inside, you get removable trays and bins that keep everything neatly organized. Built to handle impact, dust, and harsh weather, they're made for the real job site. A quick release button makes separating them effortless and fast. Pair them with the cargo carrier, and your entire setup becomes mobile. It's not just storage, it's an upgrade to your workflow. The TOUGHBUILT aluminum scoop shovel combines durability and lightweight design for effortless handling. Made from high-quality aluminum, it's perfect for scooping, transferring, or digging tasks in landscaping, construction, or cleanup jobs. The reinforced edges enhance strength, allowing it to handle heavy loads with ease. Its ergonomic handle provides a comfortable grip, reducing strain during prolonged use. The wide scoop design maximizes efficiency, saving time on every task. Built to withstand harsh conditions, this shovel is as tough as it gets. Whether you're clearing snow or managing debris, it's the ultimate workhorse. Say hello to the TOUGHBUILT mortar hoe, a must-have for mixing and spreading mortar with precision. Its heavy-duty steel head is designed to withstand the rigors of tough construction tasks. The unique blade design ensures optimal mixing, while the ergonomic handle provides comfort during extended use. Lightweight yet sturdy, it's easy to maneuver for accurate mortar application. Built for durability, it stands up to demanding job sites with ease. From bricklaying to concrete work, this mortar hoe makes every task smoother. When precision meets toughness, this tool delivers exceptional results. The TOUGHBUILT Belt Utility Builder Pouch is a game-changer for staying organized on the go. Its rugged construction features multiple pockets and loops to keep your essential tools within reach. Made with heavy-duty materials, it's built to endure harsh job site conditions. The clip-on design allows for easy attachment to any belt, ensuring convenience and mobility. With ample storage space and reinforced stitching, this pouch keeps everything secure and accessible. Perfect for professionals who demand efficiency, it's a reliable partner for any project. Stay productive and organized with this must-have utility pouch. Finally, the TOUGHBUILT Folding Pole Saw redefines precision cutting with its innovative design. Its folding mechanism ensures safety and portability, making it ideal for professionals and enthusiasts alike. The sharp, durable blade is perfect for intricate cuts through wood, PVC, or other materials. Its ergonomic handle provides a comfortable grip, reducing fatigue during extended tasks. Lightweight yet sturdy, it's easy to handle for precise, controlled cuts. Built with quality and practicality in mind, this pole saw delivers exceptional performance. For those who demand precision and portability, this tool is a clear winner. Thank you for watching this video on the top tech tools. Remember to like and subscribe to our channel for more content like this.